Understanding Tinted View, a guide to figurative language. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore the meaning behind the phrase, tinted view. This is a fascinating expression in the English language that can help you express a particular perspective someone might have. So, let's dive in and uncover the layers of this phrase together. The phrase, tinted view, refers to seeing things through a subjective lens. Imagine wearing glasses with colored lenses. Everything you see is influenced by that color. Similarly, when someone has a tinted view, their opinions or perceptions are shaped by personal biases or experiences. It's not about literal vision, but a metaphorical one. To help you understand better, let's look at some examples. Prejudices can give a tinted view of an individual's abilities. After his disappointment, he had a tinted view of the opportunities that came his way. Using the phrase in different contexts can highlight its versatility and help you become more comfortable with its usage. You can use this phrase to describe personal bias or to point out that someone might not be seeing the whole picture clearly. For instance, I think your past experiences are giving you a tinted view of this situation. It's important to recognize our own tinted views to understand others better. I hope this video has illuminated the meaning of tinted view and how it can be used in your daily conversations. Remember, recognizing our own tinted views can lead to clearer understanding and better communication. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.